What is going on, you guys? This is Big Z from Learn Bengali, and in this video I'm going to teach you the Bengali days of the week. Okay, not English, not French, not Spanish, but Bengali days of the week. Okay, so in English we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now what's the Bengali equivalent of that? I'm going to teach you right now. Let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. We have Monday, which is Shombar. Shombar. Here we go, the English equivalency here, Shombar. Tuesday, Mongolbar, Mongolbar. It's kind of like, see, Mongol. We have the Mongol Empire talking about. But it's Mongolbar, okay? Wednesday is Budbar. Budbar is not Budbar, it's Budbar, okay? Thursday is Brihoshpotibar. See, Brihoshpotibar. Brihoshpotibar. Simple as that, Brihoshpotibar. Friday, Shukrobar. See, Shukrobar. And that's the Bangla spelling right here. Saturday is Shonibar. Shonibar right there, Shonibar. Sunday is Robibar. Okay, so once again, Shombar, Mongolbar, Budbar, Brihoshpotibar, Shukrobar, Shonibar, Robibar. Just like that. Very simple. I don't think it's that difficult for you guys. Well, I mean, it's not difficult for me, but it shouldn't be that difficult for you guys because I also have the version here, the English version, right? So yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Shombar, Mongolbar, Budbar, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Brihospatibar, Shukrobar, Shonibar, and we have Sunday, Robibar. Easy, right? Easy peasy. Haha. Yeah, but that's it from me for this time. If you have any question, comment, concern, let me know. Comment below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Thanks a lot.